Hello Gucci's team, how you all doing? Today I share with you a very delicious egusi soup recipe for your party. This is especially for your occasions, like special occasions. So if you are a cook on this very channel watching me and you want to know a special method on how to make party egusi soup, this video is specially for you. And if you're a mom who wants to know how to cook another method of egusi soup, this video is also for you. So stay tuned and enjoy this egusi soup recipe. Let's do this. I'm using one Ziploc. I've gone in with hot water in my pot. We are doing the hot water method. Don't worry about this pot. I just use this pot, okay? And it's palm oil. There's nothing like curry or thyme inside this pot. This is just palm oil. All right, I made a sauce which I want to use the same pot. So we're going to add our egusi to the pot. You can also do the frying method. Add your egusi. By the time we are done making this egusi soup, you will appreciate this method and say thank you, Gucci's. Ordinarily, you need hot water to melt your egusi. So this is it. I allow the water to boil in the same pot that I used to make one of my sauces, and it's palm oil sauce. So just go ahead and mix your egusi in very well. So mix your egusi very well in the hot water and make sure it is well combined. Allow it to form. Your egusi has to form very well before you start adding anything into your egusi soup. That is how you get the best egusi soup recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So here I've cooked down my meat. I have different kind of meat, assorted meat that will be going into this egusi soup. It is nicely cooked. This is one of them. I just want to show you. I'm going to be showing you things as we go in this video. I have my okpei in this very meat sauce, and I have peppers. You can also blend your okpei into your peppers, okay? With your palm oil. As you can see, our egusi has started forming. Just allow it to cook until it starts forming, okay? In case if you want to try this oil out, go ahead. It's a very delicious oil. I have enjoyed it so far. That oil is so good. So do this. I'm showing you this method. I have different methods for egusi soup. Go about your soup special ways that will not make your soup go bad. So make sure you add salt into the water in the pot when it's cooking. Add some palm oil, which is very good for your egusi not to get bad, because egusi is one soup that gets bad very easily. Another thing you can add to your egusi soup to sustain your egusi soup is yam. Yam will sustain your egusi soup and it will help it not to get bad so easily, because egusi is not very friendly, okay? Once your egusi has rised very well, all you want to go in with is your chicken broth, meat broth. Add it into it and allow it to start cooking. Add your juice, mix everything together. At this point, let your egusi start cooking. Make sure your stove is not on the high heat so that it doesn't get burnt. Look at how beautiful, guys. Just allow it to cook gently. See how it's forming. Allow it to cook gently so that it doesn't get burnt. See how beautiful it's cooking. Go in with your blended stuffs. You can blend okpei into your peppers. You can blend onion into your peppers. If you want garlic or ginger, it's your choice. But I've gone ahead to blend my peppers. I blended some onion into this soup. Okay, go in with your crayfish. I blended okpei into my meats when I was cooking my meat so that everything will get to know each other, okay? I'm going to add more crayfish. At this point, mix your soup together. Allow your egusi to keep forming. You will see how much it's going to rise. This is what I'm aiming at. Have you tried making your egusi soup this way? Let me know in the comment section, or you can share with me the method you love most in making your egusi soup. This is a beautiful method that you're going to enjoy if you actually make your egusi soup this way. So this is my fish in hot water. I added salt to it. I'm going to let it soak and then I'll wash it. You guys, look at This method is banger. This is Christmas method. Look at that. My kitchen smells divine, guys. Guys, I'm trying to be as fast as I can. The soup is already running late to the venue. So guys, keep enjoying this method and drop your comment if you are enjoying this method in that comment section. Okay, look at how delicious the soup is looking. At this point, we're going to go in with our protein so everything can start getting to know each other. And I want to give you another tip. Once you're cooking for the public, make sure that your protein are very soft. No matter the kind of protein you're using, make sure you don't present a very hard meat to your customers or to anybody that you're cooking for. So here are all my assorted meats. I'm going to go in with them. Just go in with them like so and make sure you have cooked them nicely. They are tender, they are not hard. It's going to be very enjoyable in your soup. Once your protein are soft enough, your customers are going to enjoy your soup. Your family will enjoy your soup. If you have kids there, they will really enjoy the soup, okay? Go in with your fish. Let everything start cooking nicely until your soup is well cooked. Instead of salt, go in with crayfish. I'm going to go in with another crayfish. This is 3-in-1 bonga fish, prawns and crayfish. I'll mix this together and cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. Our soup should be ready. You can choose to add another crayfish, you can choose not to. But I decided to add another crayfish because I want it to give me a quality taste. This is for an event. See? Look at that, guys. Look at that. Guys, like I told you, I had a lot of things I was doing in a day in this kitchen. I'll show you the recipe on this stockfish, which I'm going to be adding to this soup. It's coming up very soon. Please give this video a massive thumbs up, share to your family, friends and loved ones. Look out for this recipe. Look out for this stockfish recipe. It's banger. I'm going to go in with bitter leaf. What leaf would you prefer to go in with for your Egwusi soup recipe? Bitter leaf is banger when it comes to party Egwusi soup recipe. Honestly, even if you're going to add any other vegetables, make sure you add bitter leaf and it will come out very delicious. This soup was wonderful, guys. Look at that. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe, guys. Is it very simple? Do you understand the way I went about this Egwusi soup? Would you want to try this? Drop all of that in the comment section. This soup was the best Egwusi soup ever for Christmas. Look at that deliciousness. I hope you want to try this. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. Please do me well to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get our beautiful uploads. Bye.